In this video, we will explain how to enable sensor sharing on your Bever Innovations smart devices. Before we start, you have to make sure you can log in into the Bever app and your Bever Innovations smart devices are powered up. In this example, we will explain how you can share the information from the motion sensor and daylight sensor from the LS downlight with other devices. We can, for example, let the cubic respond to the LS downlight's motion sensor, or let the LS downlight switch off the cubic when there is enough daylight. Start the Bever app. Once started, it will directly start searching for compatible devices. Found devices will be listed under the Uncoupled header. Authorizing devices. Once all devices are found, we have to authorize with the devices. If the status is Not Authorized, it means that the app did not receive a response from the device. When you connect the app on your phone or tablet for the first time with the smart devices, it will ask you to reset the device and perform a power cycle. Unplug the device from the mains, plug them back in and try again. Adding devices to a network. After the device is authorized, it must be added to a network. To add a device to a network, tap on the Device button and click on Create New Network. Click on Next and apply to add the device to a network, or if wanted, change the network to another ID. After the network is saved on the device, the network page will open and show the device in the created network. Now, before we continue with the sensor sharing, we would like to check first if all devices are allowed to share or receive sensor information. The Smart Plus license to share sensor information is available for all devices, and a lot of devices have the Smart Plus license enabled out of the box. In the network overview, tap the menu option and then Licenses. The device license overview gives you a list of all your available licenses and the devices that have the Smart and Smart Plus license enabled or disabled. If required, select the licenses you would like to use. Enable the Smart Plus on the device by checking the option. Once the option is selected, the license on the device is directly enabled. Now we know that all devices have the Smart Plus license enabled, and the devices are ready to share and receive sensor information. The sensors are shared within a group of devices, and devices can be in multiple groups. To add the devices into a group, tab and hold one of the devices. You can then select all other devices that will be in the same group. Select the menu and then tab Add to Group. Select the group ID. This is the number of the group, and tab Next. You can give the group a name, for example, driveway, canopy, or storage room. But in this example we just use Group 1. Tab Next to verify the settings and create the group. Once the group is created, you can open the group window where you will find Group 1. Now, to finally let the LS downlight share its sensor information with the cubic, tap in the Group Information window the Sensor Sharing button. You will get an overview of the devices in the group. Download the data from the devices so the app will show which devices share sensor information and which devices are listening to other sensors. For our example, no sensors are shared yet. Now you can just select which sensors should be shared by the LS downlight. In our example, it is the motion sensor and daylight sensor. For the cubic, we select the option to use the sensor information. When selected, the desired settings will be uploaded to the devices immediately. We are ready. This is how you enable sensor sharing on your Bever Innovations smart devices. Now the cubic is responding to any motion detected by the LS downlight's motion sensor, and the cubic turns on automatically when the sun sets at night. You can now close the app, or if needed, make any other changes to the settings.